We're going to show you how to replace a screen on a Gateway LT2804U laptop. Make sure your power is unplugged and remove the battery. Now remove the two beauty covers off the bezel. Next, remove the two screws that were underneath the beauty covers. Next, you want to remove the bezel off the LCD by lifting gently from the screen side and being very careful you don't break any of the clips. If it's stubborn, you may need a plastic pick to reach up and pop those clips. This is fun when they don't want to come off. Next, you want to remove the 4 screws holding down the LCD. Lifting from the top, be careful not to pull too hard and remove the wire that's hanging on. Lift up the plastic that's holding the connector to the LCD and gently unplug it. To install the new one is just a reverse of what we just did. Plug in the connector and reset the plastic tape. Realign the LCD to line up on the holes and the little pegs. You put the screws in. Install the bezel, carefully putting it on and pushing on the outside edges. Do not push on the LCD screen. We put the 2 screws in holding the bezel. Put the 2 beauty covers back on. Replace the battery. And turn on and test. There you go, brand new screen.